सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं
आज 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे हमारे पूरे देश में है और हर एक 26 जनवरी को और 15 अगस्त को हमारी पूरी फार्मासिस्ट की टीम हर साल हमारे लोगों के लिए हर एक नया फेस मतलब आज छोटे छोटे गांवों में मुझे इतनी खुशी है बताते हुए कि आज छोटे छोटे गांवों में मैं भी रिसेंटली त्रिपुरा गया था, बंगाल गया था, ऐसे ऐसे जगह पे हमारे मेडिसिन आज पहुंच रहे हैं जो हम लोग 15 अगस्त को और 26 जनवरी को लॉन्च करते हैं। मुझे लगता है हर एक देशवासियों को इसका बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा सिर्फ मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद में नहीं होता है बट छोटे छोटे गाँवों में होता है। मुझे लगता है आज मतलब जन्माष्टमी भी है और मुझे लगता है आज रात को श्री कृष्ण भगवान का जन्म हुआ था और मुझे लगता है आज उन्हीं के आशीर्वाद से हम लोग जेनरिक आधार का एक नया फेस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं और हमारी पूरी फार्मासिस्ट की टीम ये पूरा साल ये प्रयास करती है कि हम लोग कैसे लोगों तक ये चीज कम से कम दामों में पहुंचाए। तो हमारे जो नए 12 प्रोडक्ट्स है ये हर एक कैटेगरी में हम लोग लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं ये साल और मुझे लगता है इसका बहुत ज्यादा लाभ हर एक घर के इंडिविजुअल को, सीनियर सिटीजन को होने का मतलब मुझे लगता है 80% तक कम दामों तक हर एक मेडिसिन मतलब 50 to 80% तो है ही है। तो मुझे लगता है बहुत ज्यादा लाभ हर एक स्टोर के माध्यम से लोगों को मिलेगा। थैंक यू।
Today on the great occasion of 79th Independence Day, we are stepping into the 12th phase of Generic Aadhaar product launching. In that, basically we are launching different category of molecules. The nephrology category, cardiac category, diabetics category, gastrology, supplement, different category we have. So in that first category is the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So product name is the Diclofenac sodium paracetamol 325 mg. The product name is the Diclofenac sodium 50 mg plus paracetamol 325 mg tablet. Category belongs to the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. It is used in the pain management. It basically used in the dental pain, cardiac pain, and in the gastro category, and also it is used in the different pain relief, the osteoarthritis, joint arthritis, and it will be available all over generic Aadhaar store across India at best quality and affordable price, up to 80% discount compared to other MNC company. Our MNC company rate is 55 rupees, but our generic Aadhaar rate only just 7 rupees per stick. On this product, discount is up to 87% discount. Huge discount on this product.
Gastro category is sodium bicarbonate 500 mg tablet. It is used in inhalation. It is an antacid used to relieve acid, heartburn, and gas. It neutralizes the acid present in the stomach by producing carbon dioxide, which results in reduction of irritation in stomach and in intestine. It is available in 10 into 10 blister pack and will be available at all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India at high quality and at affordable price, up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC companies. Other MNC companies provide the same medicine at 44 rupees per strip, But at generic Aadhar, end customer will get the same medicine at just rupees 10, and the discount we provide on this product is 77.2%.
Now the next category is cardiology category.
The next product that we are launching is Sacubitril 24 mg plus Valsartan 26 mg, which comes under the category of cardiology. This combination is used in the treatment of heart failure. It treats heart failure by relaxing the blood vessels and making it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout your body. It also reduces the risk of long-last hospitalization and death due to heart failure. Now, it will be available in all our generic Aadhar stores and across India at high quality and affordable price, up to 80% discount compared to other MNC companies. Other MNC company providing this strip at 199 per strip, while generic Aadhar end customer rate 67.69 per strip only. The discount generic Aadhar is providing is 66%.
The same category we are launching different state cardiology category.
So we are next launching the product name is Sacubitril 49 mg Valsartan 51 mg tablet. It belongs to the category of cardiology. This medicine is used in the treatment of heart failure. This combination treats heart failure by relaxing the blood vessels and make it easier to your heart to pump blood through your body. It reduces the risk hospitalization, death, heart failure. Now it available in all generic Aadhar stores across India. High quality and affordable price up to 80% as compared to other MNC company. Other MNC company on this medicine 534 rupees per strip. But our generic Aadhar end customer rate just 130.39 per strip. Generic Aadhar giving 75% on.
Now we are going to the next category, that is anti-emetic category.
Our next product is comes in the anti-emetic category is ondansetron 4 mg orally disintegrating tablet, which is used to prevent nausea and vomiting that caused by cancer medicines, in chemotherapy or radiation therapy. It works in the stomach to block the signals to the brain that causes nausea and vomiting. It also used to prevent nausea and vomiting that may occur surgery. Packaging, it comes with the 10 to take alu pack. Availability, now it be available in all our generic Aadhar stores across India at high quality and affordable price. Up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC companies, where other MNC rate is 60 rupees per strip. That our generic Aadhar end customer price is only 6 rupees 52 paisa per strip. The huge discount of generic Aadhar.
Our next product name is Nebivolol Hydrochloride 5 mg tablet. It is categorized as antihypertensive. Its uses are it belongs to the group of medicine called long-acting beta blockers. It also works by blocking the effects of some chemicals on heart and blood vessels. It also helps to lower the blood pressure and make it easier for the heart to pump blood around the body. The packaging of this tablet is 10 into 10 blister pack, and now it will be available in all our generic Aadhar stores and across India at high quality and affordable price up to 80% of discount compared to other MNC companies. The other MNC company's rate is 110 rupees per strip, but our generic Aadhar end customer rate is only 22 rupees 42 paisa per strip. The discount on this product is 79%.
So launching the B complex, that is a regular medicine. Everyone, I think, aware about this product. So it is basically used and support digestive health and address issue health vitamin D deficiency, and also the often used to prevent of diarrhea and including antibiotic association, and also they help in the bacterial infection. Now it will be available all our generic Aadhaar stores across India at best quality and affordable price. Now its MNC price is 40 rupees per strip. It's a very high price, but in the generic Aadhaar only just 18 rupees, and the discount on this product is 54%.
The next product today we are going to launch is N-acetyl cysteine 150 mg plus taurine 500 mg tablet, which belongs to the category of nephrology. The product combines two antioxidants that work by protecting the kidneys from damage by harmful chemicals. It is also used in the treatment of diabetic kidney disease. Now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores at affordable price up to 80% discount. The rate offered for the similar product by other MNC company is 175 per strip, whereas generic Aadhaar is launching the product which rate is 31.35 per strip only, providing up to 82% discount. So অবশ্যই আসুন জেনারিক আধার স্টোরে, কারণ জেনারিক আধার হলো ঘরে ঘরে সত্যের আধার।
Now I feel honored to introduce our newly launched product to you, which is Alpha Keto Analog with Essential Amino Acids Tablet. This medicine belongs to the category of nephrology. Now, speaking about its uses, then it is widely used as a dietary supplement in the nutrition therapy of the patients suffering with chronic kidney failure. Along with it, it is also used to maintain the urea levels in the blood, which unnecessarily increase due to the intake of non-essential amino acids. આ હવે generic આધારનો high quality product all over India માં જેટલા generic આધારના stores છે એનામાં available છે, even up to 80% discount સાથે. BG MNC company rate provide this product at 500 rupees per strip, whereas generic Aadhaar provide the same quality product at only and only 74 rupees, offering a discount of 85%.
In this 12th phase of expansion of our generic Aadhaar, one of our product is Ketorolac Tromethamine 10 mg dispersible tablets, trusted and effective solution for rapid pain relief. It belongs to the category of NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, which is clinically proven for pain and inflammation management. Some of its uses are, it is used to relieve pain in post-operative conditions. Also, it works by blocking certain chemical messengers that leads to pain and inflammation, that is redness and swelling. It is also used to treat conditions like arthritis and gout. Other MNC rate is 153 per strip. Generic Aadhaar customer rate is only and only 18 rupees per strip. So the discount on this product is 87%. Now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India at high quality and affordable price as compared to other MNC companies. ભરોસાનો ગુણવત્તા ઈમાનદારીનો કામ એસો હે હમારો જનરિક આધારનો કામ.
So moving towards the next product which we have is Fast Balm. It belongs to topical pain management category. It is work as a multi-purpose pain balm. It is used to muscle relax and body aches. It relaxes and soothes painful joints and muscles. It helps in quick absorption and fast relief. Now, it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and all across India at high quality and best affordable price up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC companies. The rate of this product at other MNC companies is 55 rupees per piece. But at Generic Aadhar, we are providing this product at only 27 rupees per piece. So Generic Aadhar is giving 50% discount to the end customer. हर घर के स्वास्थ्य का आधार Generic Aadhar. Today we are unveiling a product that stands for comfort, protection and confidence. Introducing Mr. Mrs. Sanitary Pads. Category belongs to personal care kit. From morning hustles to the midnight rest, Mr. Mrs. keeps you fresh, secure and confident. One pad, total comfort, zero leaks, all night safety and confident that stays with you. आता दिवस कुठलाही असो, आत्मविश्वास नेहमीच सोबत. मिस पासून मिसेस पर्यंतच्या प्रवासात जेनरिक आधार मिस टू मिसेस सॅनिटरी पॅडची साथ. सुरक्षित, विश्वसनीय. Now it will be available in all our Generic Aadhar stores and across India at high quality and affordable price, up to 80% as compared to MNC companies. आता उपलब्ध आहे सगळ्या Generic Aadhar स्टोर्स मध्ये फक्त आणि फक्त 3 रुपयामध्ये. Give it a applause.